Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the manual generator in Oxygen, not included. These generators are your colony's first step towards reliable power. They require a dupe to operate them, providing 400 watts of power. This makes them perfect for powering essential early game machines like research stations or oxygen diffusers. Understanding their basic function is key to a smooth start. Proper placement is crucial for efficiency. Position your manual generators in high-traffic areas to minimize dupe travel time. Connect them to your power grid using conductive wires, ensuring the wire's capacity can handle the 400 watts generated. For optimal energy management, link them to smart batteries. These batteries store excess power, preventing energy waste and ensuring a consistent. With your eggs perfectly scrambled, it's time to assemble our quesadilla. Place 1 flour tortilla into the same pan over medium heat. Sprinkle about half of your shredded cheese evenly over the tortilla. Then, carefully spoon your fluffy scrambled eggs onto the cheese. If you're using any extra fillings, add them now. Finish by sprinkling the remaining half of the cheese over the eggs, and then place the second tortilla on top. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom tortilla is golden brown. While manual generators are excellent for your initial power demands, they are not a long-term solution. As your colony expands, you will need to transition to more sustainable power sources like coal, natural gas, or hydrogen generators. Begin researching these advanced technologies early. Continuously monitor your power consumption to avoid blackouts and ensure a smooth transition to a more robust energy infrastructure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.